Step number 1. Removing the charge pipe. For video purposes, the charge pipe was removed. This is not a requirement for the install. Step number 2. Remove the passenger side PCV line. Push on the blue locking tab and lift the fitting off. Step number 3. Remove the PCV fitting. Twist counterclockwise to remove the fitting. Step number 4. Install the new PCV fitting. Apply some oil or O-ring lube onto the O-ring. Twist clockwise to install. Step number 5. Remove the driver's side PCV line. Cut the locking tabs on both ends of the line with a pair of cutters. Step number 6. Cut the tabs on the inner liner and remove. Step number 7. Repeat this process for the other fitting located on the inlet. Step number 8. Remove the dipstick. Step number 9. Install the dipstick drain valve. Install the drain valve by pushing it into the dipstick hole. Step number 10. Install the drain valve bracket. Install the drain valve bracket onto the stud, then secure with a 10mm nut. Step number 11. Install the new dipstick. Lube the O-ring on the dipstick and install. Step number 12. Install the AOS bracket. Install the AOS bracket using the 4 5mm Allen bolts, leaving 5 holes showing at the bottom of the can. Step number 13. Install the coolant line. Install the coolant line with a small 90-degree fitting on the end. Install this line onto the driver's side coolant port. Step number 14. Install the coolant line. Install the coolant line with a large 90-degree fitting on the end of it. Install this line onto the passenger side coolant port. Step number 15. Pull the wire clip off of the mount. Pull the wire harness clip off of the mount. Step number 16. Pull the wire clip off of the studs. Pull the wire clip off of the studs, as this is where the AOS bracket will mount to. Step number 17. Route the coolant lines. Route the coolant lines under the wire harness to the coolant reservoir. Step number 18. Install the AOS bracket onto the studs. Install the AOS onto the studs, securing with the 10mm nuts. Step number 19. Tighten the 10mm nuts. Step number 20. Reinstall the wire harness clips to the studs. Step number 21. Reinstall the wire clip to the bracket. Step number 22. Unhook the coolant line. Unhook the topped coolant line from the reservoir. Step number 23. Connect the coolant line. Connect the AOS coolant line with the large 90-degree fitting to the reservoir. Step number 24. Connect the coolant lines. Connect the AOS coolant line with the small 90-degree fitting to the factory line. Step number 25. Install a zip tie. Install a zip tie to hold the coolant lines together. Step number 26. Install a zip tie. Install a zip tie to secure the lines to the control module harness. Step number 27. Install a zip tie. Install a zip tie to hold the coolant lines together to the evap line. Step number 28. Install the drain line. Install the drain line to the dipstick drain port, then to the drain port on the AOS. Step number 29. Install the OEM PCV fitting that was removed. Install the OEM PCV fitting onto the end of the vacuum line. Step number 30. Install the PCV line with the 45-degree fittings to the OEM PCV valve. Step number 31. Install the PCV line to the AOS. Install the PCV line to the top port on the AOS. Step number 32. Route the vacuum line. Route the vacuum line under the wire harness to the port on the intake manifold. Step number 33. Install PCV line to the intake port. Step number 34. Install a zip tie. Install a zip tie to hold the PCV line to the coolant line. Step number 35. Install the driver's side PCV line, the valve cover port located on the driver's side. Step number 36. Install the PCV line onto the bottom side port of the AOS. Step number 37. Install the passenger side PCV line. Install PCV line to the passenger valve cover port. Step number 38. Route the PCV line to the AOS and install onto the top side port. Step number 39. Install a zip tie. Install a zip tie to hold the PCV lines together. Step number 40. Install the vacuum line. Install the 45-degree fitting on the vacuum line to the breather port on the AOS. Step number 41. Install the vacuum line. Install the 45-degree fitting on the vacuum line to the inlet port. Step number 42. Install a zip tie. Install a zip tie to hold the vacuum line to the AC line. Step number 43. Reinstall charge pipe if it was removed. For video purposes, charge pipe was removed. This is not a requirement for the install.